It happened last winter in Lahore. A 4-year-old student named Rashid lived alone in a small rented portion. One night, heavy rain poured outside, and the power went out. The only sound was the ticking of his wall clock until he heard it. Knock, knock, knock. Someone was at the door. At first, he thought it was the wind or maybe the gate moving. But then came a faint voice. By Darwaza Kholo. Rashid froze. The voice was trembling, like a man in pain. He gathered courage, went near the door, and asked, Kaun hai? No reply. Just another knock. He opened the small metal peephole and saw nothing but the empty dark street. But then, he noticed bare footprints in the mud right outside the gate, fresh and wet. He quickly shut the peephole and stepped back. A few seconds later, the voice came again, this time from inside his compound. That night, Rashid stayed locked inside till morning. When he finally opened the door, there were no footprints, only small wet handprints on his door. In a small town near Faisalabad, a young couple, Hina and Asif, had recently moved into an old house. It was peaceful during the day, but every night, Hina noticed a shadow near their bedroom window. One evening, she was folding clothes when she saw it again, a girl's face peeking through the glass. She screamed, and Asif rushed to check outside, but the ground outside the window was muddy, and there were no footprints. They called the police, thinking it was some intruder. The police came. Inns,